Meet new Real Estate WordPress theme. HomePress. HomePress is easy to install. Just choose layouts you like for the homepage, inventory, and single item page. Press Install button and enjoy. HomePress contains ready-to-set-up homepage layouts and single property layouts. Special features: mortgage calculator, add to favorites, compare, page view statistics, 360-degree virtual tour, mobile ready. HomePress is powered by uListing plugin. Using our uListing builder, you can create your own listing template, add columns, set width, filters, choose listings view, and much more. Excited? Get your HomePress copy now.